We're going to check in now with our chief meteorologist, Efren Infante. Hey there, Efren.
Erica, this is something that we rarely deal with in South Carolina, but haven't dealt with this in about 13 to 17 years. And one of the greatest impacts is that for sure we know that we're going to have really brutally cold mornings and everyone's going to see snowflakes. But the question really is, like how much snow are we going to get, and really where is the biggest accumulation that we're going to be expecting? Well, as of right now, National Weather Service has advisories, watches, and winter storm warnings for pretty much South Carolina along I-95 and then points towards the coastline. That does include portions of the Midlands. Here's the setup. Winds right now, they're relatively light, coming out of the northwest, maybe pushing about 10 miles an hour. All of our temperatures, with the exception of Orangeburg at 32, are below freezing. What it feels like, though, because of the winds, the wind chill right now, it feels like 20 degrees in Bishopville. It feels like 21 in Newberry, 25 in Orangeburg and Manning. In the Gamecock City, Sumter, the wind chill, 17. Think that's bad. We saw this earlier. Oklahoma City, the wind chill 3. Austin, Texas, southern Texas, 21. You get out to Montgomery, Alabama, it feels like 19, where the game is being played, college championship, 15-degree wind chill out in Atlanta. Way too cold. And now we've got quite a bit of precipitation in the form mostly snow from the central southern plains coming over the Mississippi River. A little bit of rain off the coast, but all of this is going to be winter precipitation with the cold air already in place. So what we're expecting is as we go through the next few hours, we'll start seeing some clouds move in. In the morning, it'll be partly cloudy. Precipitation is going to be coming in from the central Gulf South. So while our clouds are increasing, that's precipitation in the form of snow will start creeping into Georgia by the afternoon. And as we get into the evening, then it's going to cover South Carolina, but it's going to be quickly out of here. And then as we get into Wednesday morning, by about 3 or 4 o'clock, that's it. It's done. So in the morning, we're looking at low temperatures to start off in the teens and low 20s, but the wind chill, it's going to feel more like 18 in Manning, 17 in Saluda, a wind chill of 16 in Winsboro and in Bishopville. And by the afternoon, we're looking at temperatures that are going to be in the mid to upper 30s, but that's very likely going to be sometime after 1, 2 o'clock. And then the temperatures are going to drop. So here in the Midlands, what we're expecting as far as the snow, we may start seeing snowflakes between 4 and 5 o'clock. It'll be sparse. We'll start seeing a little bit more as we get to about 6. I do anticipate that the snow will start picking up and we'll start seeing accumulations starting between 7 and 8 o'clock tomorrow night. But look how quick this moves through. By 10 o'clock, the Northwest Midlands already have snow has ended. As we get towards midnight, only around I-95 and I-26, and then by the time we get to 2 or 3 o'clock, that's it, it's done. And the skies will start to clear out well before we get up on Wednesday morning. But don't expect a ton of snow. Still pretty much everybody in the Midlands west of I-95 could see anywhere from a dusting, a trace, to maybe an inch. The best chance still will be along I-95 in areas of Clarendon, far eastern Sumter, and Orangeburg County, maybe getting up to 1.5 inches, conservatively, maybe 2. But our temperature is going to be the bigger thing. As we go through the week, we're going to struggle for morning lows to achieve anything higher than the mid-20s. And so anything that doesn't melt is still going to stick on the ground. That's why we still have a weather impact alert, not only for tomorrow, but because of the morning temperatures on Wednesday at 21 degrees and Thursday morning at 17. Wednesday, it'll be mostly sunny. You're going to reach a high of 37 and then 41 for high on Thursday. A slow warm up, but really slow. By Friday through Sunday, morning temperatures will still be in the 20s, but Friday a high of 48. Up to 52 on Saturday and a little bit warmer on Sunday with a high of 58. And maybe a few showers, rain, on Monday as we reach a high of 55. Erica?